Hey YouTube, so I'm just going to do a quick little voiceover on how I shape up and fill in my eyebrows. So I start off with my E.L.F brow and lash gel. It's clear, and I just brush my eyebrows straight up, and the extra hairs that are like out of my shape that I want, I use a little beauty supply store razor and shave it off, and that's it. So I just keep doing that until I get the shape that I want, and then I go underneath my brow with the razor and clean up my little sparse hairs, and on top ignore my fat pimple. Thanks.
Purchase your tracks today.
Sometimes the razor doesn't get everything, so I'll take tweezers and tweeze the rest of the hairs that are extra. Once I finished both sides, these are my final results. That's just how I shape my eyebrows. Now moving on to how I fill them in, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in dark brown with a little normal angled eyebrow brush, and I start by just filling in the shape of my brows, and then I fill in the actual brow, outline, then fill in. To get the nice feathered front part and not the little square, I take a spoolie, anyone that's on a brush, and I just buff out the front of the pomade, and then I'll just go over with my concealer and stuff, which I'll show you. Now that I finished both sides, I'm just taking my Revlon Colorstay concealer in the color Caramel, which is 400, and I'm gonna line my brows. I usually only fully line the bottom, and I'll just go over some of the top, which you'll see. So when I do my top lining, I usually just get my tip so that it's super fleeky and on point, and I'll get right in the front so that the little box that I buffed out is neat. It looks like I did the whole top line, but I don't. I just brush over the center, and then I take a beauty blender and I buff out all the concealer. Yeah, that's how I shape my eyebrows and how I fill them in. Thank you guys for watching, and these pictures and videos will show you my final product. Bye guys.